Hi, welcome. I would like to share with you a few ideas of entrepreneurship and also of trade and invest. Most investment promotion agencies focus on big investments, but in our consulting firm, we focus on small, medium, and big investors that would like to invest in a certain country. For example, franchises that want to expand to another country. For example, border franchises, and we help them to establish in another country. We also have standards to develop trademarks, to develop LLCs, corporations. There are services online, and we help them to build their company online, and also if they wish to go to a certain area of a certain country, they are welcome. We have consultants in most cities, and we are attracting more consultants to help each city and each location to have the same standardized services, which are in real estate, in intellectual property, and industrial property, and trademarks, brands, transportation, regulatory compliance. And our consulting firm wants to be support for the corporations and for small and medium-sized enterprises to find a solution locally and also internationally. So we help local entrepreneurs, we help local businesses, but we also help international corporations and companies to establish in other locations. So it is important to have such standards. It is important to understand the services that you will be given, and to also know what the steps are in regulatory compliance, and also how to invest in each country, because it is not the same investing in real estate in, for example, the border of Mexico in an industrial environment than investing, for example, in a tourism or a hospitality industry or real estate, because Mexico has laws that don't allow foreigners to own land in 100 miles from the coast, 100 kilometers from the coast of Baja California. For example, for that reason, you need to invest by a trust, and that trust, it is managed by the bank. And if you don't want to avoid that such thing, you may also own a company that owns that property. But in certain parts of Mexico, as a private investors, you can own land and property in, for example, Puerto Vallarta, Cancun, Los Cabos, Mazatlan, and so on, and in the central part of Mexico, also in what is called the Bajío, Querétaro, etc., Puebla. And I'm talking about Mexico because I'm Mexican, but each country has their own laws and rules to invest in a certain. There's a Freedom of Investment Index by the Heritage Foundation, and our consulting firm also complies with that. We don't want investors to feel that they are investing and that they are risking their investment by not complying with the country laws. So certain industries in certain countries are not allowed for foreign investors to invest, and that is why our consultants help each consultant to each client to know how to invest in each country. And well, basically that's the information. I know that most investors would like to know more about such standards. You are welcome to visit our website. You are welcome to email us, to contact us. And also, this message is just for the economic development corporations and the investment promotion agencies to know how can we help them also, and how we can help also the foreign direct investment efforts in each country to really have this standardized system that will help clients to understand how can they invest in each country. Thank you very much. If you like, please subscribe. This channel is about investments, about trade, and also about helping countries to attract investment to their location, to each location, whether it's a big city or a small one. We believe that investment and having a consultant in each city and in each location will enable investors to feel safe and feel that they have support and will have knowledge that they may find, for example, fruits and vegetables and so on, partners that they can find partners in each location. So I think that this is a very good tool and a very good consulting firm that will help countries grow. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.